everybody, my name is Kay. Thanks for clicking on this video. The video you're about to watch is one of the first videos I ever edited like 5 years ago, and it is from camp, and I did it all on a very old phone. It was on our sister channel, Happy Trails Hiking, but we want that to all focus on hiking and outdoors, and this channel is now going to focus on all of our camp cooking. So I have moved this video to this channel. So we hope that you enjoy our version of pineapple cobbler in the Dutch oven. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more camp cooking.